What's up guys, Shawn here. So today we've got the Parrot Anafi. As you guys know, I recently did a flight plan demonstration of my backyard. And the reason I did that flight plan demonstration is because I didn't have any map data to go by. I just had to go kind of blindly, even though there was one road that I could use as a point. And then obviously I had my home point because there's GPS on the drone. So I could have my home point. I knew for a fact where that home point was, and I flew my drone up to see about how high the tallest tree was in my backyard. So what we're going to do today is we're going to take that same flight plan and then we're going to extend it a little bit. I'm going to run through, here's kind of a demonstration up here of how I extended the flight plan, and then I'm going to extend the flight plan again. But this isn't going to be a super technical because it's kind of the same thing. I'm just kind of moving points around on my flight plan. But I hope you guys like this video, guys. Check it out.
This feeling like it's starting now, starting now. I feel adventurous with you, and there is nothing that can hold us back, hold us back. We can do what we want to do, 'cause we got all the time in the world. For better or worse, we should stay together. So let's stay young and in love. We should focus on us forever. Yeah, baby. You are feeling like I do. We could run away across the ocean. Baby, what you say? We can leave today. Anywhere we'll go, we'll be alright. It's all about you. 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 It's all about you.
We got everything we need right here. Wine and burning chemistry. You and me alone. You and me alone. Inside of our embassy. Everything we need right here. Make me sing along, sing along. need right here. Moonlight on your naked skin, summer's blind us to giving. Where you wanna go, where you wanna go. Stars align onto your face, pretty sweet your sour taste. Make me sing along, sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need right here. Sharing all your deepest dreams, wonder what they really mean, yeah. In the empty bottle lies all the answers. Write down all your memories, feel the things you wanna feel, yeah. In the empty bottle lies all the answers. Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning.
So there it is, guys. What'd you think? I want to get this flight plan locked in before the fall leaves change. So I want to definitely get the forest. I want to get the woods in the shot. So I decided to do it again, but more of a loop instead of a kind of a rectangle. So here's the second one. Check it out, guys.
Where there's sunshine, there is rain. Where there are faces, there is pain. Lift the sky, go further, push to the edge.
it. What do you guys think? I thought it was a pretty good morning. Beautiful flight. First thing I did in the first flight was I noticed that the angle was just pointing at the horizon, so half of my drone footage was sky. So I decided to pull the camera down a little bit so that I was looking at the trees the whole time, and I thought that made the shot a little bit more dynamic, a little prettier. So yeah, hope you guys like this video. I'm going to continue to do this on Sundays until I get the perfect flight plan. I want to knock out an entire battery with one flight plan. I want to return safely. Hope you guys like this video. Please like, subscribe to my channel, click on the bell for notifications of more flight plans that I do, more drone videos, action cameras, sound. I'm kind of a tech nerd. So yeah, have a wonderful day, guys. Peace out.